Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is plastic bottles. Is it safe to drink water in plastic bottles? Let's see this video and decide whether it is safe or not. Please watch till end, don't skip in between. And who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be knowing the new notifications of my YouTube videos. So this plastic bottles is of exposed to harmful toxins from the plastic. Toxin is nothing but poison of plant and animal origin. So is it safe to drink water in plastic? No, it is not. Risk of drinking bacteria concerns. All plastic bottles, when reused, are subjected to high levels of bacteria due to contact with hands and mouth, creating moist conditions that encourages bacteria growth. Water bottles can be washed with warm soapy water and allowed to dry before being reused, but the process of washing and has been shown to damage the structure of the bottle, causing the release of chemical compounds. There are various types of plastics used for manufacturing of plastic bottles, but by health point of view, PET bottles are the best. Example, I can say, left your bottled water in a hot car, and if you drink it, heat could help chemicals from the plastic leach into the water. Those chemicals might cause cancer. For another example, I can give, when you put mint leaves in your tea, the heat extracts the mint, tasting molasses, and it happens faster in hot tea than it does in cold tea. If you have left a plastic water bottle in a hot car or another very warm environment for a while, you may notice the water taste a little funny. I don't want to mislead people saying bottled water is not safe. Bottled water is fine, you can drink it, just don't leave it in a hot temperature for a long time. The packaging material used to make single serve bottle of water and crush easily. So how many of you accept this? Plastic bottle is very harmful to your health, which might cause and cancer, or it may the chemicals, very harmful effects to the bacteria. Till now what we are expecting, we should be healthy for a long time, right? So now one more I can explain you about the stainless steel bottles also. So right now I'm not using any stainless steel bottle, so I'm not showing in the picture. So I'll show the steel glasses which we were using it. Stainless steel bottles can be used under virtually any conditions because of their versatility and durability. Stainless steel water bottles are the bottles of choice for many athletes and adventurers. Why drink lukewarm water? Drinking water from a plastic water bottle when you could use a stainless steel water bottle that insulate the contents for hours. The insulating properties of stainless steel water bottle mean that you can enjoy cold drinking water up to 24 hours, filling the bottle from your water cooler. Hot water stays warm for nearly 6 hours in stainless steel bottles. So now you can compare with the plastic as well as the steel. Now we'll go back to the another topic, which is the glass bottles. What purpose and how it is going to be useful for us drinking water in the glass bottles. Glass bottles keep filtered water fresh and pure without the risk of chemicals contaminating the water. Even days or weeks after filling up a glass bottle and putting it in your refrigerator, you can enjoy the clean crisp taste of filtered water with no worries. Benefits of glass bottles, I can say, free from contaminants. Glass containers won't leach chemicals, nor will they absorb. Easy to clean, holds a steady temperature. It may be hot or it may be cool. So environmental friendly, glass is an endlessly recyclable, keeps liquid clean and fresh. So coming to the plastic bottles, wash properly with the hot warm water, and stainless steel you can use it with of no worries, and glass bottles though not at all to be worried. But previously even we used to use plastic bottles. After knowing all this, I started using these glass bottles. How it is looking, it is beautiful, right? Bottles also beautiful and our health also looks beautiful. Thank you so much guys watching this video. And if you really like this video, please comment me how you felt looking at this video, whether it is useful or not. Please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. Thank you.